That's what I call a sea of green, yeah! Greetings one and all, and welcome back to Transformed Already. How's it going, everybody? We are almost there. We've got 2 figures left. We're going to be looking at Hook today. So we're going to get rid of you. We're going to get rid of you. We're going to get rid of you too. And we are going to look at the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Well, we've got a nice double box. We've got Hook. We've got, before I hit the camera, we have Hook and we have Long Haul. It's on the top, Hook and Long Haul. Nice little picture of Long Haul on the back. We've got cool pictures and a cool little scene from the 86 movie. It's cool. 17 steps, 19 steps. More than their brothers. What do we got on this side? Oh, we got Devastator and we've got Transformers Studio Series. The movie, Transformers the movie. Okay, enough about the box. Enough about the box. Get the box out of here. All right, so we've got Hook. He's a little bit bigger than his brothers. Just a little bit. I like him. Now, if anybody else knows a way to get this into vehicle mode, I looked. I didn't really find a spot where he could sit. Yeah, he's got a couple of little places, but none of them fit. So who knows? Who knows where it's supposed to go? Yeah, he's got his little blaster, but I don't see a place where he can put it. I don't know about you. If you do, if you know, if you're like, Loki, I know where you're supposed to put the gun. All right, thanks. First thing we're going to do is get his hook up, and we're going to push it back in just to the point where the hook rests against the end, just like that. All right. Okay. We are going to lift up these 2 tabs. We are going to move his back. So what you need to do is there's a little latch right there. Just pull it off. Open it up. It'll open up. See, it's on like a hinge, and you're going to bring that down. Okay, so you're going to bring that down right there, and it'll snap into place, and you'll have a nice little gap. All right, you're going to bring his arms down. Pow, pow, and you want him to kind of look like a boxer because you're going to need the room. So bring his arms over, bring his arms out like that. He's like, "You want to fight? You want to fight? Let's go." Good detail on the head. I like it. Good detail on the body. We are going to bring these shoulder pads down over the arms. So he's got little shoulder pads, right? Then we're going to look at the feet. Yay, looking at the feet, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to unhook that. I want you to unhook that. And we are going to pull the leg, not that. We're going to pull the legs out. Just like that, we're going to separate them. Just like that. They've got little tabs on them, so you don't have to worry about busting them up or anything. And we're just going to straighten them out. So if you're looking at it from behind, we're just going to straighten them out. Now, I want you to take his hook. I want you to put it down. Okay, now the feet are fun. Open them up, just like that. So they're going to tab in a place like that. Open them up and bring them down. Really simple. Just pop open the feet, just like that. And let his hook fall off, apparently. And bring them down. And just rest them right there. They'll tab in. It'll be fine. And you've got Hook without his hook, obviously. That thing has popped off more times than I can count. We'll raise it up. Pop it in, pop and lock, and you have Hook transformed, ready to go. We'll get his little blaster over here. That way he can be menacing and pew pew, pew pew, pew pew pew, Autobots. Just keep pewing away at the Autobots because, you know, Nothing ticks us off more than Autobots. He's cool. I like him. The hook could have been a little bit better, but I understand why they made the choice that they did. I appreciate the fact that it can come off of there and not break, because that's what you don't want, is your figure breaking. He's cool. I like him. Worth a buy. I don't know if he's worth the $80 the double pack came for, but I like him. So the other Constructicons cost about 25 to 30 bucks. He is one of the more expensive ones, coming in at 40. But here's the thing. When we get to long haul comes in two pieces. I'll show them to you here in a minute. That'll be this Friday. So that'll be the next video we do, will be long haul. I think that with long haul and Hook, okay, maybe Hook was still worth like 30 bucks like his brothers, but long haul is definitely worth more than that. So for the quality you're getting, the fact that basically long haul is coming in two pieces. Okay, so get rid of the pew pew. Pew pew is over. The pew pew can hang out there with his brothers. Clip that back in. You'll see a little tab right there. Click that back in. Open up his shoulders. Click in the other one. Bloop. And bring his arms back up to sit where they are supposed to. Alright. We are going to open up his feet. We're going to bring those back up. Obviously, those are going to tab in. Tab in. His arms are locked and tabbed in. Alright, and we are going to lift up his hook because it's a pain in the butt. And we're going to put his feet back where they were. And we'll tab them in, just like that. So they have a little tab in the middle. Make sure they're sitting right. Tab back in. This part can be a little bit of a pain because when it comes back down, it does not immediately want to sit. See, at first I was like, okay, did I break him? Did I do something to him? No. He just doesn't want to sit. So you got to kind of put a little bit of pressure back in. Drop his shoulders back. His football pads. And you've got him back in vehicle mode. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you know a way, if you know where to put this, where it can just like sit somewhere, and because the other ones, they've all got places, obviously, where they can sit, right? You've got places where their weapons can sit, their guns. This is the only one that I'm like, okay, where's his blaster supposed to sit? I mean, am I missing something? Am I missing a tab? Am I missing some place where I can like lock him in at? I mean, I don't know. All the other ones have a place for their weapons. He is the only one of his brothers so far that does not have a place for a weapon. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with this. One more figure left to go. Guys, be great. Be excellent to each other. Always speak friend to enter. And we will see you on the next Transform It Already video.